Would you like to see your masterpiece? What's up, guys? It's Jazz.
And Marty. And welcome to another DIY Day. Today we're going to be taking on the viral Tiny Hands Challenge, baby.
So, if you don't follow us on Facebook, I don't know what you're doing. You need to head over there right now. Go to facebook.com/JazzandMarty and click that little like button right there. Mm-hmm. But if you do follow us on Facebook, you may have seen this post floating around. If you have, you would know that we did a little quick draw of each other in a diner one day, and old Marty here lost miserably. So, I'm going to give him a chance to redeem himself. So today we're going to be painting each other with tiny hands.
And we're going to have a tiny twist to it. Mm-hmm. We're going to be using tiny canvases, baby. That's right. It's going to be a redemption story like no other. It's going to have love, sex, drugs, everything that you can think of.
Nah, it won't have everything you can think of. It definitely won't have sex or drugs.
Mainly sex.
That's for sure.
Mainly
no sex. Go to a different channel for that. Anywho, let's get Marty and losing again, shall we?
No, I'm let's just do it. Let's do this thing. I'm ready. Let's go.
These are not easy to wear, guys. If you want to take on this tiny hands challenge yourself, just know that there are no
African American.
dark colored tiny hands for you to choose from. So you're just gonna have to take the white ones and spray paint them like we did. A little FYI for your day. Alright? So I'm first, since I was the winner in the last round. Old Marty here is it's gonna be my subject. So get ready to see this gloriousness.
Paint me right now. I wanna look like Napoleon.
Okay, you will. Let's start with your face here. Yo, I swear, if I beat you again, you need to get your shit together, huh? It's already looking fly. It's already looking fly.
Is it though?
It is. Alright, we got your head down. Let's paint you in there. Ooh. I don't know why this is a challenge, y'all. This is cake. Look at that. Alright, B. We're gonna start off with the basics first, right? So I'm gonna create the foundation, and then we're gonna put the little details on top, you know. And we're gonna move on to your hat, which is black.
Yo, your hands is shaking, boys. You sure you ain't take no drugs? No, I was only kidding about drugs.
It's not too bad, right?
I can't see nothing. Is it bad, y'all?
It's not bad.
Hit that like button if it's bad.
That kind of messed it up.
What?
Putting that hat on. Let me add in the mustache and the little goatee. I'm gonna add the little hair and the little sideburns. I don't know who you look like, but you don't look like Marquise.
Some people say it's Denzel Washington. Maybe a little Boris Kojo, Jamal Moore mixed in. That's what I get. I get that a lot, even when I'm in the Super Bowl.
Okay. Let's get this.
Okay, look like doo-doo because you mix all these colors up.
It don't look like doo-doo. Actually, it looks kind of cool.
You're holding the thing with her tiny hands. Like, let me hold it up. So obviously.
We almost lost the masterpiece there, y'all.
Hey, yo, you getting paint on the canvas.
It don't matter. Thing. Yo, true artists don't know no boundaries. That was not proper grammar.
They don't know no better.
Alright, yo, this is not bad. I'm gonna fix your nose, though. Your nose looking kind of rough, buddy. Who?
Yep, there it is.
Okay, we are done. Would you like to see your masterpiece?
What's wrong with my chin? Damn. I look like I
Look at that. Look at that beauty. Look at that. That's a beautiful painting. I would hang that up. Hang that up? I would hang that up. If you can't do any better, then that means you lost twice.
Alright, I'm about to do something super spectacular. Bring that ass over here. Let me do this.
Alright,
It's got red on it. I like that.
Yeah, somebody didn't give us a cup of water.
You can still go get us a cup of water.
Nah.
Turn to the side. Turn that way.
Why, B? Why? You talking about me shaking? You shaking over there? Please.
Look. I'm trying to concentrate.
Jesus, I'm about to get up and walk out.
Put your lipstick on.
My lips are together. Don't forget my lipstick now.
Shut up. Man, I know y'all see this. Look at this. It's extraordinary already. Look at that. I'm trying to concentrate now. If it get messed up, it's on you because you keep talking to me.
Okay. So I suppose the first time you messed up was just me talking, huh?
It's just your presence. Your presence threw me off.
Because it was so lovely. You just didn't know how to handle yourself.
Just so damn good. So you got the face down. So I feel like that's accurate, huh? Like
what?
I need a new subject.
Okay.
That's the main reason why it's horrible. Yes, that's about right.
I doubt it.
This thing.
Because I love it.
I'm gonna make you look like Tupac.
That's okay.
I think that's about it, huh? Look at that.
You done?
No. These had some lips on there. Yeah, that's what that worked. Look at that. Look at this.
You done?
Glorious, huh? Oh!
Oh! Oh, that was magic.
It is broke.
That was magic. You done?
Yeah, let me see yours.
No, you showed me. I showed you mine. Show me yours. My hair's not that short. It don't look too bad though. You did a good job. I'll give you that. You did a good job. It was pretty decent.
Whoever won, leave a comment down below and say who won. Obviously, it was me, but just leave it in the comments.
Alright, you won one challenge.
And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel.
And hit the notification bell so you can be notified of videos like these in the future. And just like that, lots of love.
And this will be the end.
Peace.